All right, Miss Alvarez. So right now, this is what you're supposed to be looking at. So, and you said you got into chapter 5. What you have to do, I'll go back over that again. All right, you see where these three little lines are? That's your menu. Click into, or your index, click in, and you'll see Exploring Microsoft Excel Comprehensive. Click in, and you'll scroll down until you see Microsoft Excel, Office Excel 2016. Click in, and then you'll see chapter 5. All right, here we are. It's not doing anything because we're right here in chapter 5. Okay, and then we go scroll down to chapter data, all of this, all of that, all of this, all of that, and then you'll see the capstone exercise. All right, so here's the capstone exercise on page 393, as it's said in the instructions. It takes a while because my throughput is very slow, but you'll see the capstone exercise. Here's the capstone exercise. All right, okay, and all the instructions for what you're supposed to do. Okay, 393 and 394. Okay, so let's go over that again. All right, we go to the menu. Okay, we look at exploring Microsoft Excel 2016. Click in, scroll all the way down. Okay, until you get to Microsoft Office Excel 2016. Scroll all the way down to chapter 5, subtotals, pivot tables, etc. And then you'll scroll all the way down until you see capstone exercise. I had created a video for the, because people couldn't find it under the regular one. And here's the capstone exercise. All right, so that should do the trick. If you have any questions, please make sure that you email me. Thanks. Bye-bye.